Hey, what's up, yo? So before I make this video on why I quit social media and why I think you should do the same thing, I want you to go down and click the exclusive case study. Watch the case study video. It's free to watch. A lot of people, they charge $200 for the case study. I put so much value into this. I put a lot of time into this. So please go ahead and watch that. I want you guys to enjoy it and, you know, go ahead and watch the thing and, yeah, go on from there. But let's get on with the video. In this video, I'm going to tell you guys why I'm taking a 2-week break from Instagram and social media in general, and why I believe you should do the same. So I'm headed to downtown Toronto soon, so come along with me on this journey to downtown, and I'll be talking about social media along the way. So as I'm walking to the train station, drinking some sparkling water, I'll give you guys some context as to why I decided to get off social media. I think right after I came after Chicago, I just realized that I was not living up to my potential. Not for this month, but this whole year I've been slacking a lot. Don't get me wrong, where's the lighting? This year has been amazing. It's just, I really believe that I have been operating at 20% of my potential, and sounds like I'm fucking bragging, saying, you know, I can be doing better, hustle, blah blah blah. No, like on a real note, I really could be doing so much more, but I've acquired the habits that made me a very lazy person. And me being me, I put myself up to high standards, and I really believe in this world I am destined to do something great. Oh shit, it's the next day. Why? Because when I went downtown, I was living in the present moment and I wasn't recording anything, okay? So with my friends, so don't mind that. So back to the video on my social media break. The reason I had to do it is I'm getting too distracted, okay? I rationalize saying, oh, you know, my job is on Instagram. I get clients, I get, you know, different course sales, whatever, off Instagram. So I am on that, but realistically, I am just scrolling through people's stories. I am stalking these Insta hoes. I'm just refreshing my DMs to see who messaged me. And it just became a weird cycle, man. My screen time, literally, I swear to God, I'm not joking around. It went from, you know, like, it used to be like 10 hours a day. I swear to God, 10 hours a day on the phone. Imagine that, right? So I wanted to fix that. And now it's slowly going back to like 2 hours a day, 3 hours a day of my screen time. I still get, like, you know, I watch YouTube videos, so it doesn't matter. But I had to quit social media, man. It was really starting to ruin me. And then you guys, like, the thing is, I've had this project that I've been delaying for so long, and I realized one of the biggest reasons I procrastinate is because I'm so fucking distracted on social media. But now, you know, this break has been good, man. I feel like a human again. Everything has been chilling. But yeah, that's one of the main reasons why I left social media. So I was just playing basketball, came back. I don't even know where this video is. I don't know how the audio is in this car, but basically I quit social media because, yo, first of all, I'm too focused on other people's shit. Second of all, I'm getting distracted. I have 2 main projects that's gonna make me $1 million this year, and I need to be focused on that. Not not about some scam going on, not what other people are thinking. And I just saw myself get so caught up in other people's shit that I forgot about myself. And I felt like, you know, I lost a piece of myself when I was on social media all the time, man. Like I said, I had 10 hours screen time sometimes, right? Now it's back to 2 to 3. Overall, man, if I have to say something to you, just get off social media. That shit's cancer. I've already, you know, feel so much better just getting off of it, you know, in the last whatever days it is. And it's just the beginning. I know when I get back from my break, my 2-week break or whatever, I know I'm gonna only be using it like 20 minutes a day, 30 minutes a day, just because it's not serving me in any way. That's what I realized. It's not serving me in any way. And at the end of the day, even though I use it to make money, I'm gonna just focus on that. Use it to make money, not anything else. I was getting so caught up sometimes posting shit that, you know, I don't even know if I wanted to do some of the things I was posting, man. I was going to some places that I probably didn't even want to go, but I'm like, this would be cool for the gram, you know? So I really just I'm grateful that this kind of happened to me. I'm feeling more refreshed. I am ready to just crush shit. I'm like in the zone now to just work harder. And overall, guys, like, I'm just, you know, grateful for life, grateful for whatever I have. And this kind of turned from social media to gratitude, but, you know, I mean, it'd be like that sometimes. And yeah, I'm just ready to get working. I think you all should quit social media as well. It's a fucking cancerous thing. Like I said, I feel like a human again. I can think for myself. I'm not getting flooded by all these other people that, you know, be It's just a big distraction, man. Like, it's just, not only that, it's so fake, man. Everyone's faking shit nowadays. Everyone's fake flexing what they don't have, fake flexing what, you know. It's just such a weird industry right now, and I just don't even want to be part of it. And eventually, one thing you guys should do is read Digital Minimalism by Cal Newport. Amazing book. But ever since I quit social media, I've been healthier. I started reading more books. Just been doing more dope things. I don't know what I said when I recorded the earlier sections, but, you know, I don't know. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to make it very short. I don't really care anymore about a lot of things, and this is one of them, you know. But yeah, hope you guys have a great day. See you guys later. I don't know if I'm gonna drive anymore. I'm probably just gonna go home and watch some Sam Mullins because he's the best. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you.